Resistance welding is the joining of metals by applying pressure and passing current for a length of time through the metal area which is to be joined. The key advantages of resistance welding is that no other material are needed to create the bond, which makes this process extremely cost effective. There are several different forms of resistance welding like spot, projection, flash and offset welding, which differs primarily by the types and shapes of weld electrodes. The electrodes typically manufactured from copper-based alloys due to superior conductive properties. Resistance welding machines are designed and built for a wide range of automotive, aerospace, and industrial applications.